What's up, online shoppers? Look at this awesome 18-piece griddle accessory set. This looks so great, I just had to get one for myself. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Now this is a really great set for a flat top griddle, and when we open up the box, this is what we get. Now that we've got this open, let's take a look at all the great stuff. Now, first of all, everything fits in this really nice, great carrying case. You get 2 little squeeze bottles for oil, marinade, anything else like that. This one here is a cast iron griddle press, which is great for flattening out your bacon and your burgers. Here we have a really nice scrubber with a handle so that you can clean off your surface and get all of the crusted on food right off the surface and ready for next time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at all these flippers. 4 different flippers, including the extra large burger flipper, the standard burger flipper, the slotted spatula, and also the extra long barbecue spatula. We have the chopper, and it even has a little ruler along the side. You get an angle scraper here, like this. These ones here are egg rings. Now you can make a standard egg, which is round, like this. You put this down on the surface of your griddle, and you put your egg in here, or you can even make a heart-shaped egg. They also throw in 2 handy little travel size salt and pepper shakers with a cover to keep everything contained. So because this is actually going to go in the case and travel with you. Here's a great little silicone brush for barbecue and applying all your sauces. And finally, you also get a basting cover. Now it comes in 2 pieces. There's spots here for the holes like that, and the handle, and I'm just going to put it together for you. And there you go. Look at that great basting cover. Nice little handle to keep your hand from the heat, and a great size for covering up a couple burgers or your bacon or anything else like that. I love that it is high quality stainless steel on all the utensils, as well as heat resistant handles that work really well around the hot surface of the barbecue. Great that they've included some really thoughtful extras like these little travel salt and pepper shakers, a really nice cleaning scrubber so that you don't have to hold on to a scrub pad on the hot surface. You've got a great handle for it here, and you have just about everything you could possibly need to use with your barbecue. Premium stainless steel construction, super easy to clean, and all of these pieces also will go in the dishwasher without any harm coming to your utensils. I'm really happy with the quality of what you see in this box, from all of the thoughtful pieces to the high quality construction, and the fact that it comes in this really awesome little handy travel bag. I definitely think this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.